as someone who's actively trying to change the narrative around women characters in film, what is one stereotype about female characters that you're just tired of seeing on screen and even hearing about? I'm sure there are many.
I think we have a strange notion of strength. If you want to show a feminist character, strong character, they are taking revenge and they are sort of being violent,
And
rude
yeah.
and violent, and that's not the way. Strength is a very inner
Absolutely.
thing, and I think most of us have it.
Absolutely.
And you can be vulnerable and strong at the same time.
And we're all layered.
Exactly, and I really miss those nuances.
Correct.
Because finally true representation is in that nuance.
A stereotypical character which I'm fed up of seeing is probably women being shown in that constantly being needy, constantly being need a man to support, I feel that whole narrative needs to change because women don't need that. We need to let people know that we can totally kill it on our own.
Absolutely.
I think the manic pixie representation is a bit boring now.
I don't think it's a particular trait that bothers me. I think what bothers me more is when we just reduce women or men into types. That is very alienating for me because she's very intellectual.
She's one thing.
She's one thing. So if she's intellectual, she can't have a sense of humor. She's very sporty, very athletic. So if she's athletic, she can't
Dance.
be intellectual.
Yeah.
So I think maybe it's those things for men and women having these kind of very reductive types bother me.
It seems to be that that all women have to carry lots of compassion. I don't see why that should be the case. I don't see why we should be burdened with that responsibility. I think every human being has moments where they are very compassionate and sensitive. But there are moments when they are not. I don't know why we are always expected to carry the bhar of compassion with us.
It's not a stereotype woman. Why should I lie? I just think that misogyny still exists, and I think that misogynist films still do really well in our country. So obviously that's a red flag somewhere. But it is a red flag somewhere. Not to take away from the great films that are being made because I watch them myself, so I don't want to be hypocritical about it. But somewhere I think that needs to tilt.
मैंने शुरुआत की थी ना कि हर फिल्म में अगर नौकरानी दिखाते हैं तो उसको नौवारी साड़ी आ जाती है, हाँ, और वो फिर ज़्यादा करके महाराष्ट्रन दिखाई जाती है, तो वो होना नहीं चाहिए, वो देख देख के बोर हो गए हैं.